How to delete Instagram account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can delete your Instagram account, and this is permanent, so you cannot recover this account after you've deleted it. So keep that in mind before doing this. So now let's begin. First, open up your Instagram. After you open it up, go to your profile on the bottom right. Now after you're there, tap on these three lines on the top right. Now after you've done that, you will see your account section and accounts center. Tap on it. After you're there, scroll down under account settings, you will see personal details. Navigate to it, and after you're there, you will see account ownership and control. Tap on that again, and right here you will see two options. One is memorialization, other is deactivation or deletion. Tap on deactivation or deletion. After you've done that, select your account. So here you will see two options, to deactivate or to delete. To permanently delete your account, select deletion. Tap on continue. Here you'll need to type in or select the region. After you've done that, tap on confirm, and after doing so, you'll have deleted your account. So just go through this process and you'll have deleted your Instagram account permanently. And that is basically all for this video. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye, take care.